Guys, so we are going to look at biomolecules day 1, and I was going to show you what to expect and what you need to do. So if you go to my home page, remember you need to sign up for Remind 101, text 81010, and then in the subject put @Hubbard Bio. That will I'll send you alerts and what you need to do for that day. Also, don't forget to sign up for your safety contract. That needs to be done, and your safety test needs to be done. So make sure you get those things done. So I will have the current module assignment directly linked to the biomolecules, but for right now, we're just going to go to modules. And then we're going to go to day 1. I'm going to have a video. This is the video that's going to be posted. And then you have an assignment, a warm-up. You are what you eat. You're going to watch the video, and then you're going to do a discussion board. Same thing. And then you have exploring food labels, a little quiz. You're going to load. Read this label, answer the quiz on it. Skipping that. Then you have a cloud assignment. I'm going to have a video of the notes, and you're going to do a cloud assignment with it. You need to authorize, which I don't know why it's not authorizing. Oh, I need to be in the school Google account. And then you're going to authorize and then do the cloud assignment with it. And then you have a biochem drill quiz. You're going to work on that. And then you have another drill quiz. So that is for today. You're going to be doing those assignments. It is a warm-up, it is a intro quiz, notes, and then 2 biochem drill quizzes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, Remind101 me, or any of those. And don't forget, when you go to my class, if you are in first period only, you are going to click on that. If you are not in my first period, you do not click on this. Every other period is this class right here, current module assignment. So first period only on this one, other classes here. Alright, thank you.